How to disconnect a domain from Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and with some few steps you can go ahead and disconnect any domain that you have put into the Squarespace website of yours. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. We're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the site's dashboard. Now we are going to head over the account dashboard. Basically, we are going to select one of the websites that we have set up the domain for, and how we can verify this specific domain or this specific website. It is going to be a simple step. We are going to head over the settings of the website. In my case here, I have a domain bought from Namecheap, which is going to be this one. And you are going basically here to have the name servers added as a custom DNS from Squarespace. These are going to be the most popular custom DNS that you're going to have in here to connect your website or put the name servers in here and get your own, let's say here, specific website into the DNS. Now, I'm going to head over the settings and we're going to head over the second, as you can see, setting or the second item, which is going to be domains and emails. Click on domains and emails, and then we're going to seek for the, as you can see here, the domain. So after you have set up the domain, as you can see here, domains managed by third party, which is going to be here, this one. This is the domain that we have from Namecheap, and this is the built-in domain. As you can see, it is not going to be expiring anywhere. So we're going to select the domain, and we're going to see if the connection is in progress. We are going to see these, but if you're going to have something or the connection is set, you're going to see the success message in here. Now, you can see here details about your provider, the SSL certificate, the status, and here, as you can see, you can add a email or professional email in here. The DNS settings, as you can see here, these are going to be the DNS that you're going to have, and etc. And at last, we are going to see disconnect domain. So if you want to disconnect your domain, you're going to click on here. This is under the actions. You're going to click on disconnect, and then you're going to confirm the disconnection in here. So this is or this action is or can't be undone. So once you have did it, you're going to set up the process from the beginning, and then you're going to set up the things, let's say later. So let's say that we are going to disconnect it. As you can see, we have disconnected successfully the domain. So now what we're going to do is to head over the domain of ours, and then we're going to set up the custom DNS to the Namecheap, for example, or maybe the Hostinger basic DNS. So we are going to have it like that, so that it is going to allow us to have no connection between the domain that we have and also the Squarespace website of ours. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.